Hello everyone, welcome to Ines Creation Limited, your go-to place for creative design tips and tutorials. If you are passionate about graphic design or just starting out, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to design an eye-catchy social media post using Canva, a free and easy-to-use tool that makes professional design accessible to everyone. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to improve your design skill, this tutorial will help you to create stunning visuals in just few simple steps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out our latest content. Now let's dive into the Canva and start designing. After create a page for a social media post, take this rectangle shape from element, rectangle frame, make the corner round, and now let's search your apartment picture, building pictures like this. Give a photo a border, give the border color. Now let's take this round shape and adjust all over the page and copy this and make the first shape white. Let's change the picture again. Search the keyword luxury apartment building. Let's change the color of the behind shape. Now go to the element and take this rectangle shape and adjust it on the middle. Change the color, give this blue color, dark blue, and make the rectangle shape corner round and give it a border in white. Now take a text box and type the text. Change the color in golden yellow. Take another text box and type another text under the premium. Change the font style. Make all the text bold and give the premium effect from the effect panel. Give it an outline in white. Take a text box and type project highlights. Make it smaller, change the font style. Take a rectangle shape and adjust it behind the project highlights. Change the color in white, change the color of the project highlights in black. Adjust the shape and the text together. Take a rectangle frame and adjust it over the premium. Take a text box and type the text. change the font size or keep it as it is. From the element, let's take a line and adjust it like this. Delete this, take a text box and type the details. Change the color in golden. Now from the element, let's take this line, make the line weight 1 and make it 90°. Adjust it on middle of the highlights like a partition. Go to the element and search a QR code. Let's take this QR code and adjust it under the bottom side of the picture, under the shapes. Make the border color in blue and now search a building logo. Take this logo, change the color in white. Take a text box and type the name Dream Estate, change the color, change the font style, Racing Sense 1. Take a text box and type the phone number, change the font style. Take another text box and type another number, make them bold. Type the web address. Take a phone icon, from the element take a wave icon, adjust it with the wave and adjust it with the phone. Take a text box and go to the right part of the page and type the email and the location. Again, take a location icon. And the email icon. adjust all the things, all the elements, fix the alignment. It's done. Here it is a social media post design for a real estate company. If you need this kind of design or any other design need you have, like a logo design, flyer design, brochure design, presentation design, magazine design, or any custom design, you can contact with us. Our contact details in attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creation Limited.